Hey, what's up you guys? It's Vani and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, haven't yet already, hit that subscribe button and the bell to turn on post notifications. Today, my sister and I tried Japanese candy and she doesn't like doing intros, so I solo intro this shit. And also, her friend was behind the camera, just so you know. Just pointing it out because it's obvious. These guys look like onions.
They do look like onions.
But the package looks like cheese balls.
They look like little cheese balls.
So that's weird. Kind of smells bad. Oh.
Does it smell bad?
Yeah. Smell it.
She only had to smell it 3 times.
I can't tell if that's a good smell or a bad smell.
They taste like they're noodles.
They just taste like cheese puffs to me.
They taste like they're damn noodles. Right?
This looks like it has salmon on it. Is that salmon? Some weird ass shit. I tried Mexican candy, all that was spicy.
Ew.
What's it supposed to be?
I don't know.
Is it supposed to be sweet or?
That one's for you. I'll have the other one. What's it taste like?
First off, it's not crunchy.
It's like chewy.
It tastes like a dog bone.
Yeah, it smells
Alright.
like a dog bone.
You want to try?
No,
No. It's,
it looks like tar.
we don't want to do
In
that.
the form of a skinny brick.
It's sticky! I need
It's like
Purell.
salmon. I think it's salmon flavored.
It's I can't get it back in the fucking bag flavored, bro.
I don't know. All I can taste is the cheese puffs.
Help me. I cannot.
Oh, he's going for the steps.
A mace.
Here, take this. Puppy. You be good, kitty.
Okay. You want to try one of these? It feels like corn.
Yes.
It feels
Like
A
popped
corn
corn
on top?
kind of thing.
oh,
But not.
There's so many of them.
Right. Which color? That one. This one has a picture of corn on it.
I'm smelling this and my fucking Purell I just put on. I don't know what it is.
Oh, that's funky. I don't know that I chose the right flavor. Look at the difference.
You ready?
No. Yeah. That's spicy. Ew. You want one?
oh,
This is probably chocolate.
that actually smells good.
Mine
Aw,
tasted
you
pretty
chose-
good.
Mine didn't.
That one, did you try that one?
No.
Try it.
No.
It tastes like
I'm ruined.
it tastes like,
Oh,
this
Yeah.
one looks like a turd.
Ew, yours is lighter than mine. What does it taste like?
no.
But you can go back there.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna try the chocolate
Or maybe
thing.
over here, I don't know. There's just wood everywhere.
I'm gonna try this guy.
May or may not land on your car. I'm so sorry.
Okay, this tastes like sugar.
Tastes like a chocolate
Oh.
wafer. Okay, I had to puke.
You wanna try that? It tastes like sugar.
Oh, that's icky. I hate Japan.
This is good.
Tastes like how it looks.
What is it?
I'm gonna try this, it's good. Tastes like a chocolate wafer.
You want me to just bite it and like break
Yeah,
off the
bite it.
piece
No
and-
matter.
That's so
Alright.
much better than the other one.
Mm-hmm. Kitty pig.
Alamo chocolate
Hey.
pineapple.
Baby.
Oreo.
What's he doing?
Oops. Chocolate pineapple.
It's hot.
Ew, it's like melty. But it's hot out
as
here,
fuck
so.
outside.
I have a lot of like chocolate looking things.
Oh, that's good.
It's
You like
good.
pineapple?
Yes.
Okay.
It's melty as fuck.
And this is black chocolate.
You can have it all if you want. It's good. I like it.
Macy.
He has a bug on his head.
He was like, run.
What are you doing? Don't make me put you in there with your father,
Yeah, you don't want that.
I like it though.
right?
You'd never think to put chocolate on a pineapple. Loads of tan in it, you know?
Yeah, true. Weird. What's that taste like?
Dark chocolate.
I'm gonna try whatever this is. It doesn't say anything. It just says canned.
Makes sense. Is it chewy or like hard?
That didn't sound good. It's hard.
Just like dark chocolate.
It tastes like a cough drop, but
So melty.
sweeter.
You want to go
I think
inside?
this is chocolate. Whatever that is.
That was such a weird texture though. It's like jello.
What are you doing, love?
Macy. This is good. It tastes like. It
Can I
doesn't
even
taste like
see
fruit.
what that is?
Yeah, I don't know. Chocolate.
Japanese.
Is that the packaging? I thought that was just like the chocolate.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, how do you even?
You want to try the thing?
I was opening things. The fuck? There's like a paper. Maybe it's like Fortune or something.
I don't want to. You should put this in the freezer or something. It's like it's a whole puddle of chocolate.
Just lick it.
I can't
Yeah,
even.
look
get
it
it out.
Just like the like wrapping. Not good.
Look at the kitty.
He was staring you into your soul.
This is all melted too. All you, girl. All you.
What's that?
I have no idea. Is it white chocolate?
Is it sweet?
Yes, it's sweet. It's like a cookie.
Oh, like what's around it? What's the?
Take that. It doesn't taste bad. It's not chocolate.
Okay. So maybe it's frosting.
Mm-hmm.
That's white chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, it is? I've never had white
chocolate's not
chocolate.
real chocolate though. It doesn't have cocoa in it.
Thanks, Liz. Will you knock it?
Oh, it's not bad though.
Let's try these guys.
Those will probably be good. What are you doing?
Just like let me out.
These fucking little ones.
They're little tater tots again.
Ah.
Aw.
What do you think it tastes like? The look on your guys' faces tell me that I don't.
It has a little
It
weird.
tastes like hot dogs and beans.
Ew. Why are
It
you
just
eating
tastes-
another one?
Yeah. It doesn't taste bad to me.
It tastes like hot dogs and beans.
Puts it in
I
your
fuck with
mouth.
hot dogs and beans.
Try it.
No.
I don't think it tastes like hot dogs and
Because I
beans.
took a bite of this. and
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
guessing
true.
This
True.
one low-key tasted like hot dogs and beans. And I didn't like it. It was so deceiving because it low-key smells good.
Alright.
Did you try the green one?
This one is green. I've been deceived too many times.
Oh
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Hey, my stuff!
no! It went down. The sun finally went down a little for a second. Okay.
So what's that one?
Look at my nasty.
It's a teddy bear.
It's a little bear.
Looks like a pumpkin pie because the bear's on the wrapper.
Yeah, so you can try that out.
I hope it tastes like a pumpkin pie, honestly.
I fuck with pumpkin pie.
I have a least.
What's it smell like?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Yeah?
What does it smell like?
Pumpkin pie, low-key. In my opinion. Like, not a strong
Like,
smell
try
of
not
it.
to stick my nostrils into this, but
You can try it if you want.
I can't. You try first.
Yeah.
It looks like a cracker.
It does.
With-
It looks like a Ritz with peanut butter on it. Is it good?
What's it taste like?
A Ritz with peanut butter on it.
What
What the fuck, really?
You were
I
like,
just
oh,
cracked
it's
the
gonna
code.
be pumpkin pie.
My face is irritated.
It does taste like a Ritz with peanut butter on it. Shit, we could get that from the dollar store. Why we gotta import it from Japan? Ritz with peanut butter on it.
It does taste like that. That's weird. Fried
He's
potato.
just scratching away at that fucking door.
Oh, another one of those. Oh. Oh, they're different.
Yeah,
Oh.
these are like French fries.
The French fries, do they taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Like, actually?
Need salt.
You need salt. True American. You ever had veggie sticks?
I love them.
I love those things too. Or veggie straws. That's what
My
they are.
favorite ones are the
I like the green
spinach.
ones.
Okay, these are little white balls. They could be chocolate, so you get to try it first. Just kidding, that side's coming out. Oh,
He just looked up and went, "Meow."
Looks like a marble.
they had faces on the package. Like little.
Oh god, it tastes like
Japanese.
I feel like it's gonna be like a malt.
Like
Yeah, that's why I'm
almost
not
like
putting it in my
whoppers.
mouth.
I hate those.
Me
Yep, chocolate.
I don't want this after all that.
And this is the final thing. Oh, I ripped the packaging.
It's not really a malt ball, it's just chocolate with crunch. It
Like
doesn't
a
taste bad, though.
M&M.
Like a hollow M&M.
That looks like garlic bread.
I don't even want to try
It tastes like a crouton.
that.
No, it doesn't.
You
It
wanna
tastes
try
like wonton fucking.
I'm like,
Ugh.
Okay.
Ugh. It's worse when you swallow it.
Do you mind disposing of this for me?
I'll throw that away.
Thank you.
That's what she said.
So, I had one of those things that me and Alyssa had different ones of, and she had like, she liked hers and mine was gross, and our friend Kara's was gross, so I made my mom try it in the car on the ride home.
It tastes kind of like a Frito.
Oh, see, mine and
You wanna
Kara's
taste
were
mine?
bad. No, I put cum in my mouth, I'm over it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below any other videos you'd like to see me do on my channel. If you would like to see more of my sister, I will link her playlist of all the videos she's in below. Enjoy. I mean, not enjoy. Bye.
And that's about it.